at room temperature. Saturated fats are in what state? Okay, so we are talking about saturated fats. Meron tayong dalawang klase na fats, the saturated fats at saka yung unsaturated fats. Is it solid, is it liquid, is it gas, or is it semi-liquid? All saturated fats at room temperature are actually solid. Okay? So how do we characterize itong mga saturated fats na ito? Meron silang fatty acid, okay, mga fatty acid chains, na kung saan isang atom or every atom na ito, they are bonded to the maximum number of hydrogen atoms. So meaning to say, tetravalency ng ating carbon, lahat ng mga H nandoon sa 4. Because they are the ones that do not contain double bonds. So single bonded sila. So basically, anong al sila? They are alkanes. Okay? So itong structure nila, sa pagiging single bond nila between those carbons, it allows the fats there, yung mga fatty acid chains, to pack together tightly and regularly. Right? So kaya nagiging solid sila at room temperature.